так, чтобы вы понимали, время сейчас 6:25. И сначала сказал, давай не в 10. Ко мне другой как раз к 11 приедет. Соревнования в Бишкеке. А мы еще в Алмате.
Duffel bagging with a dealer for a key and by the weekend, and the roof is in the trunk with all the caution and the patience. Little room towards the front for all the talk and contemplation. Thinking, fuck it though. Weight on the pedal to play the petrol. 200 on the gas is 200 on the dash. I need 100 in the stash. Couple runners, couple masks. Or get the plan Tendo with the flip. Couple bags. Let my neighbors tell the story of the runnings on the Ave. Know the lane is automatic if they're running under wraps. Do believe it,
so. Like I'm being pulled down. Funny how I keep my head up. It was slow though, then it sped up. It's like I'm being pulled down. Funny how I keep my head up. It was slow though, then it sped up.
Slow dope, never made it in my neighborhood. It's more Jesse Owens with the Owens if it's paying good, so we be trying to run.
А это наш серьезный участник,
который забыл все на. Все забыл. Мультиметр, аут, блин, все, что можно надо было, вот все забыл. Пиздец.
Started when pops filled up the slot with 4 quarters, push forward, you're born in. Long live the ones who never fall in the trends. We evolving again, spin cycle. Seen so many others just like you and I, they got bleached, but my roots run deeper than that. We interact, mingling dark and light colors. Brothers and sisters gotta bridge the system. Yo, cause our soul is a heavy load. They make it seem like you gotta fold neatly, but I was told years ago that if you don't ask, you never know. It's kinda like them wet clothes, left out, begin to mold. Get toes, getting bleached. Now that's serious. Moving us out like we some kind of bacteria. In most areas, our people are lost. We write songs just to even the odds. Brainwash.
Who are we? Where are we? And are we all that we ought to be? We have to ask those critical questions. Are you following me? So in putting those things under the microscope, we have to understand a basic fundamental definition of what we're about to deal with.
Rappers are now being watched like Black Panthers. So many dead artists and so little answers. They not watching the elephant, they watching the ant. When you tell them solve the murder of Pac, they say they can't. Deep lies, deception in the bowels of fame. Sex, lies, and murders all a part of the game. High stakes, especially when big papers involved. Money movements will always get the problem solved. Expunge the gun charge, leave jail, live large, then repeat the crime till somebody drops down. When they bag you, they did what you like, you street trash. But if you got cash, then of course your name gets flashed in the media. For your blood, the vamps get greedier. We recognize you just been victimized by the brainwash. Should've known the game's watched with deception, but don't let it change your perception.
There was a brother that came forth and said all the Negro spirituals that they used to sing in church were constructed and put together using the black keys on the piano only. Taylor Cookie said music is a weapon. How we gonna use this music today as a weapon? But our open enemy already knows that and he's using the music to work against it.
They watch your pocket watch rock back and forth. A group of suit and tie guys go behind closed doors, go to war and they devise new ways. They can divide you, disguise truth and distract the poor. Eyes and ears follow propaganda, fantasy fake. A synthetic world be waste in its early stages. They figure we ain't got it, so we gon' want it. And when we get it, we gon' flaunt it. Oh shit, do what it do in order to get to it and do it again. I refuse to lose them to illusion produced by those who infuse an illusion of grandeur in it's for their amusement. Confusion from a brand and image of fame can mimic. Hard to find a sense in it. Part-time hypnotist twisting it. The kids have a hard time getting it. I know I am. See the being the killer. Fell under monetary.
Игорь, готов?
Держи! Сильнее!
Игорь, готов. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Замер!
Ваши комментарии, пожалуйста.
Пожалуйста, офигенный комментарий, что я доволен, рад. Карфест был лучше.